I definitely faced a lot of colorism-based bullying and microaggressions, being made fun of for my skin tone. For me growing up, I didn't see a lot of people that looked like me. I remember at some points feeling like I just don't want to leave my room in the morning. I'm Varsha. I'm the brand marketing manager for the hair category at Sephora. I am a proud Fijian Indian American. The first time I really got to delve deep into the world of makeup, my dad actually took me to a Sephora. I just remember going in and swatching eyeshadow palettes and foundations for the first time. About 10 years ago is when my Sephora journey started. What's really made me stay with the company is the people. People that I've met are not just coworkers, they're family to me. I've gone through so many career milestones and personal milestones at Sephora. Oh my God. I thought that I was just joining my dream company, but I didn't realize that I would make a family there. Being Fijian Indian is kind of this beautiful blend of South Asian culture and Pacific Islander culture. It's just beautiful, it's vibrant. When South Asian women started to be represented in the media, they always had a lighter skin tone. I remember at some points feeling like if I looked differently, my life would be a little bit easier. I grew up with really amazing parents who never made me feel like I was any less beautiful because of how I looked. They would always embrace who I was. And this is something that I want others to know too, is if you feel invisible, just know that if you see yourself, that's really all that matters. Every team that I've been on encouraged me to be an advocate for myself. And that kind of growth is something that's really special.